Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see your friends' game hours on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. At first, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and the main Steam interface loads, you'll be ready to access your friends list and start checking out their gaming activity. Now direct your attention to the upper left corner of the Steam window. You'll see your username displayed there. Hover your mouse over your username, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Friends. This will open up your Steam friends list, showing you everyone you're connected with on the platform. Once your friends list is open, browse through and click on the name of the friend whose game hours you want to see. This will take you directly to their Steam profile page. The profile page is where all their gaming activity and achievements are displayed, giving you a complete overview of their Steam presence. On your friend's profile, you'll immediately see a section showing their recent activity. This area displays the games they've been playing most recently, giving you insight into what they've been up to on Steam. It's a great way to see what games are currently catching their attention and how active they've been. Additionally, you'll notice the number of hours on record listed next to each game they've played. This counter shows the total time they've invested in each title, which can be really interesting to compare with your own playtime or to see which games they're most dedicated to. You'll also see the date they last played each game, which helps you know how recently they've been active in specific titles. And that's it. You now know exactly how to check your friends' game hours and activity on Steam, making it easy to see what they're playing and how much time they're spending in their favorite games. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.